So this isn't your vehicle, or this is? Is it? Yeah. What's the issue?
My son's party is about to start. I'm in a rush.
Mom misses son's birthday over a traffic stop.
That's what I'm trying to get.
What's
So,
my name?
what's your date of birth?
2492.
Okay. And what's your social?
I don't have my social on hand. I don't know about
Do you know like the last four? You don't know any part of your social?
No.
None.
I know 593, the first two.
That's cool. Okay. All right. So now I gotta try to find you because you don't have your driver's license on you. So obviously I gotta do some additional work. But
I'm gonna miss.
like I said, the more you work, man. No.
You got everything, right?
What?
You have everything?
Yes, but I need you to wait out here for me.
It's hot. Why do you need me to wait out
Wait in
here?
the shade.
I have AC.
I understand that. Just wait in the shade for me, though.
Why do I have to stand out here?
Because, ma'am, I'm not going to have you go back to your car. Listen, this is what I'm talking about. The sooner you let me do my job, the sooner I can get you out of here.
So I can't sit in my car now.
Now, once I go back and confirm everything's good with you, then I will let you go back in your car depending on what I find. All right? Like I said, just let me do my job so I can get you out of here. Evernisha. Do you have a medical marijuana card?
Yes.
Okay.
I have,
But do you have Evernisha, this way. I'm trying to talk to you. This is what I'm talking about. It's going to take longer. The longer you don't answer my
get off the
questions.
phone.
Okay, thank you. So you have a medical marijuana card, but you don't have it on you. Okay, is it valid?
I went out last night. I'm not sure. I went out last night and I searched my stuff. I'm not sure.
Okay. So, I'm not sure like what the status is, if it's expired or valid or anything. Okay. Is there any marijuana in the car?
No.
Okay. Do you mind if I just look, make sure there's nothing in there? Because it smells like
Check my car.
check it for marijuana. Just make sure it's not in.
Smell like marijuana. You're making up stuff.
You just said you smoked last night.
I didn't say I smoked last night. I said I searched my purse last night.
Okay. So is there any in there?
No, there's no marijuana.
I'm gonna search it. Am I gonna find any?
I just said it's no marijuana. I'm gonna make it.
You're good. You can wait right here. Evernisha, wait.
I'm gonna get my purse. I'm getting my
Put
purse.
it back in there. I don't know.
That's nothing. I don't want you going in my purse. My personal
Evernisha,
stuff.
listen to me
He
right now.
told you you
What are
can't
you
look through your
doing?
stuff.
Relax.
You can't go through your stuff if you told us
Give me
that.
my wallet.
This was inside your purse.
Give me my
This
wallet.
was inside
What are
your
you
purse.
doing?
This is inside your purse.
You're going in handcuffs right now. So
Stop. Okay.
put your
Okay.
hands
No.
behind your
Okay.
back.
Okay. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Put your hands behind your
Go
back.
ahead.
I understand.
No,
You're going in
please,
handcuffs.
please.
Evernisha, listen to me.
I said I'm not
Listen to me.
Just listen.
I'm not-
Just listen. Just listen.
Then
Just listen.
relax.
Please don't.
This, we're past that because you're not listening.
Okay, I'm
Just
not-
listen.
We're past
Listen.
that.
Please, they hurt.
Evernisha,
Then stop
stop.
resisting. Just stop resisting.
Stop.
Okay? If you stop resisting, we're gonna stop it.
Please don't put me in handcuffs.
We're past that.
What the f did I do?
You're just being detained right now because you're not listening.
I wasn't.
He told you
I
not.
wanted my
He told you
wallet.
not to go into your purse, and you went into your purse.
I'm getting arrested for no reason. There's no
You're not
marijuana
arrested,
in my
You're just
car.
detained right now. Okay, that's it.
Can you let my arm go?
You gonna stay right here?
I asked for my wallet.
You want to take a seat? If you take a seat, I'll let go of your arm. It's up to you.
I'm not sitting.
Okay.
You could let my arm go. I'm not doing that.
Because you're walking back to your car.
He's searching my car for no reason.
You don't get to use your phone.
Move.
Listen, you do not get to use
Okay,
your
I'm
phone.
putting it in my pocket. I'm putting
Stop.
it up.
Stop.
I'm putting it up. I'm putting my
Hey,
phone
get
up.
Get the phone.
Let my phone go. What are you
Evernisha,
doing?
you're going to be arrested for
Why are you
resisting.
taking my
Give me that.
phone?
So,
Listen.
can I make any calls while you're in custody?
Put it in my pocket. Can you
I'm
put
going to give it
in
to
my
this
pocket?
officer right now, or I'll put it in the
Just put it in
car.
your purse.
Yeah.
That's fine.
What the f- is
You
wrong
cannot
with
make any
y'all?
calls when you're in protective custody. You understand that? Because I can't have you making phone calls to call the people here. Okay? Just listen to what we're saying. That's all you have to. All you have to do is listen to what we're saying. That's it. And then you wouldn't be in
You
handcuffs if
searching
you
my
were
car
just
for no
full.
reason. It don't smell like marijuana. You just making up stuff to search my car.
What did I make up that your car's been?
My car does not smell like marijuana. He making that up just to search my
If I
car.
let go of your arm, you're gonna be cool. You're gonna just say quit.
Yes, I'm not doing nothing.
Okay.
Searching my car for no reason. There's no marijuana in my car.
What's your first name? Is that
Renisha.
Renisha? Okay.
Or is your name Ashley? Because you're saying your wallet, and magically I find an ID that says Ashley on it.
Please, it's my son's birthday party. Please.
Ashley, I tried to work with you, and you obstructed me at every
Can I
step
call
of the
my mom?
way.
I'm gonna miss my son's birthday party.
No, you cannot.
Oh my God. Please. I'm gonna miss my son's birthday party. I don't have anything on me. I don't smoke. Can I call my mom?
All right.
My son's birthday party is today. I got my key.
Whatever property guys, you can give it to me.
Yeah, go in the back seat of the car.
Can I call my mom?
We'll get to that.
She's expecting me. I'm gonna miss my son's party.
Can you be honest with me? I would like to talk.
Party.
Okay.
You alright, pat her down? Nothing.
I just pay her pockets down.
I'm just leaving work.
Okay. Let's try this again. You said you're going to be honest with me, right? Okay. What's your first name?
Ashley.
Okay. All right, Ashley. At this point in
I
time,
called my mom. I'm
No, you
late
are-
for the party.
listen, you are going to be under arrest for
I'm gonna
obstruction.
miss my son's
You gave
party.
false information
I
to
need
me.
to call my mom.
Okay, so we'll get to that, but right now you're under arrest.
Okay, can I get my phone?
Sugar Bravo 10, 55 Bravo 17.
So I'm just gonna not show up for my son's party?
Yes, you're being arrested.
But I need to let my mom know.
You're an adult. You can let her know later. You're
I
Sugar
know
Bravo
what
10,
it takes.
55 Bravo 17.
Please, can I please call my mom?
not right now.
I'm gonna miss my son's party.
Okay. Why would you lie to us at the beginning? Like, why lie to us about who you are?
Bravo 17 taking primary.
Oh my God. Can you please get my phone so I can call my mom?
You cannot make any phone calls right now.
How long would this, what am I gonna risk?
It's going to be as long as it takes to get this done.
Where am I getting out?
I still don't understand why you would lie to us about who you are and what your name is. You do know that that's illegal, right? And that's an arrestable offense?
Oh my God. I need my phone.
You cannot make any phone calls right now. I told you that.
I need to let my mom know I'm not coming to the
I am
party.
telling you, you are not making any phone calls right now.
P95 the RO, and that is going to be the correct information. And I'll have 11015 for writing false info.
So why can't I get my phone to call my mom?
Because you're being detained right now. You can't make any phone calls to anybody. That's the whole issue that I personally had with you when you brought your phone out when we had you in cuffs, is because you can't make any phone calls because we don't need you to call anyone or have any family or friends to come in.
My son's birthday
You don't have
party.
to tell her right now. It could be
The
later.
party is about to start in 30 minutes. I was
Okay.
on my way leaving work.
All right, well, when we get situated, if he wants to let you call your mom, then he'll let you call your mom.
I want to see what he's going through while he's looking through my phone.
You better stay seated, okay?
What is he going through? Why can't I see what he's looking through?
Because you're being detained right now. So you don't.
Okay, but he's going through my stuff.
Yeah, he's searching for marijuana.
There's no
So-
marijuana in there. I don't
Okay.
smoke.
Well, once he's done searching, then he'll come back here.
Jeez. 5.
Can I call my phone, my mom?
Not right now.
I'm gonna miss my son's birthday party.
I'm sorry?
I'm gonna miss my son's birthday.
I understand, but we're talking about this right now.
Okay.
Okay, so do you want to talk to me about lying to me about your ID and all that stuff so we can work this out? So, obviously, you knew you were suspended because it's why you gave me false info. Why did you
Didn't
get...
know nothing.
Okay, well, you are suspended and there's really no other reason to lie to me. What was your reasoning for lying to me about who you were?
I don't know.
You don't know? Did you know you were suspended?
No.
I mean, I guess there's nothing really more to ask you.
No,
You
yeah.
know? So we're gonna have a female come here and pat you down, and then
You just patted me down.
A
No,
female's
female.
going to search you personally.
so we gotta wait for that.
So can I call my mom and tell her I'm not making it to the party?
After she gets searched, I'll just bring her back to 19 if you want.
Oh, that'd be perfect.
And
Yeah.
then,
I'll call for a
What about my
10-7.
stuff?
And well, your car's gonna get towed.
What about my purse?
Your purse?
With all my stuff?
I'll bring your purse.
I need to call my phone, my mom.
I'm gonna bring your phone. I'm gonna bring your ID.
I need the whole purse.
And I'm just gonna bring your little wallet thing.
I need my whole purse.
No. There's way too much stuff in there. I'm not bringing that to jail with you. It's gonna be in the car. So whenever you get the car back, it'll be in there.
Where's my car getting towed?
Whichever towing company comes.